About 30 people gathered in front of the Dartmouth Provincial Court to support Chris Googoo of the Millbrook First Nation.
At the end of the day, our nation, our nation, we're stronger than any province or anything, you know, when our people come together, it's a force to be reckoned with.
Googoo is fighting cannabis charges based on constitutional grounds.
Like exercising our inherent and treaty rights is like something that all of our people should be doing freely and not have to be harassed by any bodies of governments.
Googoo's cannabis store is located on land that is part of Millbrook. Last December, the Halifax RCMP's Street Crime Unit raided it and 4 other unlicensed shops and charged Googoo with the illegal possession and selling of cannabis. One supporter is Del Riley, is the former head of the National Indian Brotherhood, the forerunner of the Assembly of First Nations, author of Section 35 of Canada's Constitution, which recognizes and affirms treaty rights.
The nations here have they're in a wonderful position in terms of the fact that all of their rights are totally intact in all of the land here. I know I'm on their land right here because nobody bought it from them.
Chief Bob Glode of the Millbrook First Nation supports Googoo and says Millbrook is in the process of developing their own cannabis regulations.
And our community will decide as a collective under our rights how it's going to appear and operate and exist within our community.
Googoo says selling goods on traditional land is his treaty right.
We never lost our lands in a war. We never sold our lands. We didn't make an agreement for our lands. As far as I'm concerned, I'm standing on my unceded Mi'kmaq territory, and I should be able to exercise any of my rights.
Googoo's lawyer, Jack Lloyd, plans to use selling cannabis as a treaty right protected by the Constitution as a defense. A Nova Scotia court will decide whether that argument is valid next October, with trial on the charges set to go the following month. Angel Moore, APTN National News, Cole Harbour, Nova Scotia.